AWS was yesterday. Let me show you how you can host and deploy your application within seconds. Head over to Codesphere.com, just click on the big sign up button, and now you're greeted with a lot of different options to sign up. In my opinion, GitHub offers the best functionality in combination with Codesphere, so therefore we click on the GitHub icon and we will be greeted with the workspace UI. Yours should be empty, mine is full of workspaces. We click on New Workspace. Here we can give access to specific GitHub repos and also connect to Bitbucket. I did the following. I gave access to my repo demo, and you can choose, of course, free. I will choose micro, and just after clicking Start Coding, you will be greeted with the Codesphere IDE. The cool thing now is we can just open any file and start changing our code. And if we had friends or teammates, we could do this simultaneously. And the most important thing is that you can open a terminal just by clicking on the little plus icon and start using the terminal like it's on your local machine. And when you're done coding, you go to Setup CI, define CI pipeline, and you can define 3 different stages. You can add as many steps as you want. And when you're done, you click submit. It's that simple. Next to these features are many more that make my life as a developer so much easier. And your next step is to create a free account, because what is better than free cloud infrastructure?